We are talking about May's product of the month, which is Sleep and Recover. I designed this product to be the answer to what do I use at nighttime to make sure I wake up and I'm not swollen, I'm not puffy, I'm not broken out, I'm not dry, I'm not oily. It's Sleep and Recover. So you're going to notice this pump is designed to give you the correct dosage. One pump does the whole face, another pump for your neck and décolleté. And you are going to just smother your skin with this. It is not going to make you look greasy. It is not going to cause you to break out. It is yummy. It actually helps to repair the collagen endings, so your skin will start to tighten up. It's all about science, and that is telomere repair. And it has blueberry extract. It has broccoli extract. It has macmarine 5. It has stem cells. It has peptides. It has everything that your skin needs on a physical level to actually start helping it become healthier, but also nutrient dense. So it has the right, it's like creating a recipe. It has all the right ingredients. Now you just got to give it to the time at nighttime to repair and soak it up, and voila. Check out more ingredients, jerrygbeauty.com. Check us out Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, at Jerry G Beauty. You have a question? Ask me. I will answer.